You've probably heard the buzzword hyaluronic acid everywhere in the beauty world. It's in serums, moisturizers, even injectables. So, what's all the fuss about? Hyaluronic acid is like the cool kid in skincare right now, and for good reason. It's a powerful humectant, which means it attracts and holds onto moisture like a magnet. This makes it a game changer for keeping your skin plump, hydrated, and healthy looking. Whether you're battling dryness, fine lines, or just want to boost your skin's overall radiance, hyaluronic acid might be your new secret weapon. Hey, Beautiful, thank you for stopping by. Of all the places you could be, you chose to be here, and I appreciate that. Please do me a favor and subscribe for more interesting beauty content. Now, let's get started on today's beautication topic. Okay, so what exactly is hyaluronic acid? Don't let the word acid scare you. This is not the kind that burns. It's actually a naturally occurring sugar molecule found throughout your body, especially in your skin. Think of hyaluronic acid as a tiny sponge. It can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This incredible water-attracting ability helps keep your skin hydrated, plump, and youthful. However, as we age, our natural hyaluronic acid levels decline, leading to dryness and wrinkles. But don't worry, that's where skincare products come in. By adding hyaluronic acid back into your routine, you can replenish your skin's moisture levels and restore its natural bounce. Let's talk about the good stuff, the benefits. When it comes to skincare, hyaluronic acid is a game changer. First and foremost, hyaluronic acid is a hydration superstar. This powerful ingredient can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, making it incredibly effective at keeping your skin moisturized. It draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and dewy. Imagine waking up every day with skin that feels like it's been kissed by morning dew. But wait, there's more. Hyaluronic acid also helps to enhance the overall texture of your skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This is because it plumps up the skin, filling in those tiny creases and making them less noticeable. By plumping up the skin, it helps smooth out those pesky lines. Improve skin elasticity. Over time, you'll notice your skin becoming more elastic and resilient, bouncing back more easily from daily stresses. Hydrated skin is happy skin, and happy skin is more elastic and resilient. This means fewer saggy areas and a more youthful appearance overall. Soothe and calm irritated skin. If you have sensitive skin, hyaluronic acid can be a lifesaver. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help calm redness and irritation, making your skin feel more comfortable. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help calm redness and irritation. This is especially beneficial for those who suffer from conditions like rosacea or eczema. Basically, hyaluronic acid is like a tall drink of water for your skin, quenching its thirst and keeping it hydrated throughout the day, leaving it looking and feeling its absolute best. So, if you want to give your skin the ultimate treat, make sure to include hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine. Your skin will thank you for it. Hyaluronic acid products. Serums, creams, and beyond. Ready to jump on the hyaluronic acid bandwagon? You're in luck. There's a whole world of products out there to choose from, each with its own unique benefits. From serums to creams and even masks, the options are endless. But how do you know which one is right for you? Let's break it down. Serums. These lightweight powerhouses are packed with concentrated hyaluronic acid to deliver intense hydration. They penetrate deep into the skin, making them perfect for targeting specific concerns, like fine lines and wrinkles. Just a few drops can make a huge difference. Moisturizers. Look for creams and lotions that contain hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture and keep your skin feeling soft and supple all day long. These products are great for creating a barrier on the skin to prevent moisture loss, making them ideal for daily use. Sheet masks. These are like mini facials for your skin, delivering a surge of hydration and leaving your complexion glowing. They are perfect for a quick pick-me-up or a relaxing night in. And that's not all. You'll also find hyaluronic acid in cleansers, toners, and even makeup products. Cleansers with hyaluronic acid can help maintain your skin's moisture balance, while toners can prep your skin to absorb other products more effectively. Even makeup products like foundations and primers are now infused with hyaluronic acid to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. With so many options available, you're sure to find the perfect hyaluronic acid product for your skin type and concerns. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, there's a hyaluronic acid product out there for you. So go ahead, explore the world of hyaluronic acid, and give your skin the hydration it deserves. Your skin will thank you. Hyaluronic acid in your routine. Simple tips for success. Incorporating hyaluronic acid into your skincare routine is super easy. Here are a few tips to get you started. Apply to damp skin. This is crucial because hyaluronic acid works best when it has water to bind to. Hyaluronic acid loves water, so apply it to damp skin after cleansing to maximize its hydrating effects. This ensures that the product can draw in moisture and keep your skin looking fresh and dewy. Layer it up. You can layer hyaluronic acid under your other skincare products, like serums and moisturizers, to boost their effectiveness. This layering technique helps to lock in moisture and enhances the benefits of all your skincare products. Don't forget your neck and chest. These areas are often neglected but are just as important as your face. These areas need love too. Extend your skincare routine to your neck and chest to ensure an even and youthful appearance. Use your hyaluronic acid products regularly to reap the full benefits and achieve that coveted dewy, hydrated complexion. Consistent use will help to improve your skin's texture and overall appearance, making it look healthier and more radiant over time. So, make hyaluronic acid a staple in your daily skincare routine and enjoy the glowing results. So, there you have it. Ready for your hyaluronic acid glow up? Hyaluronic acid is a skincare powerhouse that can benefit everyone, from dry and dehydrated skin types to those looking to combat the signs of aging. It's time to ditch the dryness and embrace the power of hyaluronic acid. And there you have it, beauties. Hyaluronic acid is truly a game changer for hydrated, glowing skin. Have you tried hyaluronic acid in your routine? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you never miss a beauty tip from me. Until next time, stay glowing and keep shining.